This easy chickpea salad can boost your gut health and mental clarity, as the lemon and black pepper essential oils help reduce anxiety and enhance mental alertness. This is one of those great summer salads, a hearty salad recipe that all will enjoy. Lovely ingredients and so tasty. So in our salad bowl, we are going to add one 15-ounce can of drained, rinsed chickpeas, add a half a cup of chopped red onion, then to a quarter cup of olive oil, add 3/4 of a teaspoon sea salt, 12 drops of lemon essential oil, and 2 drops of black pepper essential oil, both for detox, boosting your metabolism and mental clarity. Give it a quick stir, then add it to your ingredients, and let's let it marinate for a little bit. Now we are going to add 1 cup of diced cucumbers, 1 cup of freshly chopped parsley or cilantro, a cup of diced celery, and a cup of red, yellow, or orange peppers, then 1 large diced avocado. Yummy ingredients, right? Now a half a cup of hemp hearts, and a half a cup of pistachios. Now if you're not ready to serve, just cover it with a lid, refrigerate it, and when you're ready to serve, stir it well. This gives those first ingredients a chance to marinate a little bit and those fresh ingredients to stay crisp. So tasty and hearty with healthy proteins and fats, with pure oils and lots of fresh stuff for boosting your gut microbiome and supporting mental resilience. Be sure and get your pure food-grade essential oils in the comments below. Then ask your questions, like, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.